I hope it's hell at night, straight through the morning. I hope you close your eyes and just can't ignore it, 'cause it's too...
Welcome into 2026, everyone. My name is Trent Duncan, and this is Tropical Boots Line Dancing. Today, we're going to be learning a brand new dance called Hell at Night. It was choreographed by myself and Jodi Kirkland. It is a 32 count, full wall, high beginner line dance with no tags or restarts. The music is Hell at Night, and the artist is Big X The Plug, featuring Ella Langley. Let's get into the dance. We're going to be starting off facing our front wall. From here, you're going to be doing a right rumba box forward and a left rumba box back for your first section. So moving to your right side, you're going to go right side, left together, step right forward, touch the left beside. Moving to our left rumba box back, we're going to go left side together, step the left back, touch the right beside. So again, the counts for that one on section one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, your next section, you're going to be stepping back with that right foot. You're going to touch that left foot across. You're going to be stepping onto that left foot, and as you do, you want to turn a quarter turn or 90 degrees to your left, and you're going to hitch the right up. You're now going to step the right to the right side, and you're going to point the left to the side, and as you do, you're going to kind of lean into that to give it a bit of attitude. From there, you're going to be stepping onto that left foot, turning a quarter turn. You should be now facing your rear wall. You're going to now hitch that right leg, and as you do, turn a further quarter turn. You're going to end up facing your 3 o'clock wall. So that last part there again, you're going to be stepping back, touch across, step quarter with a hitch, step to the right side and point, step into a quarter hitch. Let's do that next section again with the counts. You've done your rumba box, stepping back, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your next section from here, you're going to be taking a vine to the right with a quarter turn scuff, and you're going to be doing 2 heel struts moving forward. So that right vine, you're going to go right side, left behind, right quarter turn, scuff that left, heel forward with that left, slap that left toe down for a strut, heel forward with the right, and slap that right toe down for that strut as well. The counts on that section there, facing our side, you've done your hitch. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last section, the fourth section, you're going to be doing a rock forward with a quarter turn hold into a box step with a cross. So moving forward with that left foot, you're going to step that left foot forward, recover the weight back onto the right, and then you're going to step onto the left. As you do, turn a quarter turn to your left, and then hold 1 count. From here, you're now going to be doing a box step. Step across with that right, back with the left, step the right to the side, and step the left across. That is the end of the dance, and you're ready to start again. Let's do that last section again with a count. Rocking forward, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That completes the full dance right through. Feel free to go back and rewind the video to go over any sections that you wish. We're now going to do a complete walkthrough from start to finish. Facing your front wall, let's get ready to rumba to our right and rumba to our left back, 7. And you're going to go right, together, right forward, touch, left, together, left back, touch, step back, touch, step quarter hitch, step side point, quarter hitch, vine to the right, scuff, left strut, right strut, rock, recover, quarter side, hold, box step with a cross start again, right side, together, forward, rumba left with a back, step back, tap with a quarter hitch, side point, quarter hitch, vine to the right, scuff, strut, and strut, rock, recover, quarter turn and hold, and then box step with a cross. Well done, I hope you enjoy this dance, and I look forward to seeing all the videos that you make and all the posts that you do. So please, anytime that you do one of my dances, remember to share it, tag me in it so I can come along and watch it, and I will interact. I will make sure I comment on every video that I can or that I see, but please tag at Tropical Boots and I will come along and have a watch of any videos you do with any of the dances that I've taught you. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.